right?
Yo, bro.
We start in that
Why your
position.
chart looks so?
And then we move to
Hey,
the
your blows.
left 2 times and to the right twice, okay? So we go
Jeffrey, me
1,
can't take it.
2.
Jeffrey, me can't take you
That's
serious.
it.
This gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Now, I'll be doing things a little bit different on my channel. On Wednesdays, I'll be uploading commentary videos. So I'll be commentating on sport videos, making it funny, or even other funny videos of others or myself. And then on Saturdays, it will be story time, where I'll be telling stories, personal stories or stories of friends of mine, etc. And I definitely hope you guys will enjoy these videos. So remember to give this video the thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and do me a favor, just share the video. Enjoy. Yo, what a race. Biggest and largest. There you go. Largest take the lead. What Biggest is gonna do? Biggest put it in 5th gear right away. Biggest is on the go. Biggest is leading. Largest can't catch up. Biggest is extending his lead. Oh my god. Biggest is gone. Yo.
Hi.
Biggest.
I thought
Okay,
today
so this
we
brother
work on
look
a
like
couple
his
of
name
things,
Jeffrey.
okay? Just straighten them out. A couple
So,
of routines and try and
exercise
put them
time.
together.
Let me
Like
see
we've
what
normally
routine.
been doing, all
Yo,
right?
bro.
We start in
Why
that
your
position,
chart looks so?
and then we move to the
Hey, your blows.
left 2 times and to the right twice, okay? So we go
Jeffrey, me
1,
can't take it.
2.
Jeffrey, me can't take you serious.
That's it.
That's it. What?
That's moving.
Jeffrey.
It. Come on.
No, bro.
That's it.
No.
With your arms now.
No, bro. This exercise
it.
workout can't help me forget abs, Jeffrey.
Okay. Now the second one we
Jeffrey,
do.
me know you
We're gonna
belong
ball
to the
change with our feet,
LBGTQ.
okay? And our arms
They
gonna
better
go
come
in
catch
that
you right now.
position. All right?
LBGTQ
Both
group.
sides. So
Come
we
catch you,
start
man.
now.
This ain't.
That's
No,
it.
Jeffrey. No, Jeffrey. Come on. What is this, brother?
Stretch both your arms and your legs, okay?
Oh my god, this guy helped me get a six pack,
That's it.
Jeffrey.
Okay, now the third one we're gonna do.
And Jeffrey confident too, you know, man.
We're gonna move.
Let me see where Jeffrey
But
is.
we're gonna start in that position, and then we're gonna move the hip both to the left and to the right. Okay? We start that way.
Jeffrey sound like
That's
English.
it.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Twist the body with it, and enjoy it, cause it's all fun.
Yo,
That's it.
who was them? They can't
Twist
take
it.
their eye off of Jeffrey. I swear.
Okay, we do the whole thing through now.
Yo, right now,
Okay.
Jeffrey need a
First of
modern
all, we're gonna
day
start.
show, cause
That's
them
it.
move ya need to come back in like 2020.
That's it. Move.
80s move that too bad. Or 90s
Move.
move.
Move. Now the other one.
Jeffrey
Go
said,
on.
"Move."
That's it. Come on. Hit it. Hit it.
Hit it. Hit
Right.
it. Yeah.
Come on.
Me done.
All right. Come on.
Jeffrey.
Move it.
No, Jeffrey. Cheers,
Again?
Hi, Jeffrey.
That's it.
Jeffrey. This is too much for me.
Let it flow. Come on. Right.
Wanna get fit or stay
Okay.
fit? Jeffrey right here.
Come on. Okay. We'll end here. And I hope you have a very good week ahead of you. Work hard,
Jeffrey.
play hard, and rest
Yes, my
hard.
brother.
Okay?
You made my
Lots
week.
of fun. Have a good
Go
week
and do your
ahead.
thing now.
See you next week.
You need a bigger
Bye.
pants and a bigger shirt.
Thank you very much indeed, Tony. I think, would this man make a good Marine, Sir Stuart? Do you think he'd be a
I
good
don't
one?
know. I think
Yo,
it's terrific.
you
Yeah.
man
Seems
left
to
him
have the
go
right
from
muscles, though, doesn't he?
speechless. Alright, my peeps. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video the thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. And help me grow the channel by sharing this video. Thank you.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.